Hi, this is Michaela Minkler. We are going over integer operations, real world applications. The top of this handout is just reviewing the integer operation rules and then briefly talking about order of operations because we are doing multiple operations in one expression. We need to do anything in the parentheses or brackets first, then multiplication, division, whichever one comes first, left to right. Once we've done multiplication and division, we need to move on to addition and subtraction, whichever one comes right when we are reading left to right, or whichever one comes first. And then just some keywords for negatives: below sea level, debt, below zero, refund, buying something. Positive would be like above sea level, saving something, refund, above zero. So Eli used a gift card to buy a video game for $40 and 3 packs of trading cards for $6 each. The expression below represents the total change of balance of the gift card in dollars. What integer represents the total change in the value of the gift card? So So we need to do 3 times -6, which is -18. 40 plus -18 is -58. That's the total change. Jordan bought 4 movie tickets for $8 each and spent $10 on snacks. He paid using a debit card. The change in the balance of Jordan's checking account can be represented by the expression shown. What integer represents the change in the balance of Jordan's checking account from these purchases? We are going to do 4 times -8 first, which is -32, plus -10, which is -$42. Natalie paid for a gym membership that cost $48, split into 4 equal weekly payments. She also bought a protein shake for $6. The total change in her checking account balance can be represented by the expression below. What integer represents the change in the balance of Natalie's checking account? So we need to do -48 divided by 4 first, which is -12, plus -6, so that is -$18. Carlos paid $36 to enter our arcade and then split the cost evenly among his 3 friends. He also spent $9 on snacks. The change in his account can be represented by the expression -36 divided by 3 plus -9. What integer represents the change in the balance of Carlos's account? You're going to divide -36 by 3, which is -12, plus -9, so that is -$21. Thank you for watching.